Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. Prompt engineering is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a career skill. The right prompt can turn AI into your smartest assistant, and the wrong one can give you useless results. In this video, I will share the top 5 prompt engineering courses you can take in 2025, from beginner friendly to advanced, so you can master the art of talking to AI. Let's start with Google Prompting Essentials Specialization. This is for complete beginners who want to learn how to give AI clear, effective instructions. It's just 1 month at 1 hour a week, completely flexible. In this course, you will get to learn Google's simple 5-step prompting framework. It's super practical. You will use it for things like writing emails or even building AI agents. What I really like is that they don't just stop at giving you the steps, they actually show you how to check if the AI's answers have any bias and then refine them until you get exactly what you need. There are 4 short courses in this series, so you can take them step by step and not feel overwhelmed. You will finish with a certificate from Google, which is great for LinkedIn. If you are new to AI, you can start from this course. Next, Prompt Engineering Specialization, a 3 course series for those who want to go beyond the basics. You will start simple, but by the end, you will be using prompt patterns to automate tasks, brainstorm solutions, and even generate presentations directly from Excel data. This one is more hands on. Expect 10 hours a week for a month. It's perfect if you want to apply prompt engineering to real world work scenarios and build practical automation skills. Number 3, Generative AI Prompt Engineering Basics. This is a compact 9-hour course covering both text and multimodal prompts. You will learn advanced methods like chain of thought and tree of thought prompting and how to combine text with visuals for better AI output. It's taught in an easy to follow way but still gives you a taste of advanced techniques. Fourth, the complete prompt engineering for AI bootcamp on Udemy. This is for you if you want to go deep. 22 hours of video, 15 plus real world projects, and coding patterns for production AI. You will cover ChatGPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, GitHub Copilot, LangChain, and more. It's not just theory, you will actually build agents, optimize prompts, and integrate AI into workflows. If you are aiming for a career in AI engineering, this course is the one. Finally, the last course, Essentials of Prompt Engineering. This is a short 1 hour course that gives you the core concepts like zero shot, few shot, and chain of thought. It's quick, practical, and good warm up before the bigger courses. So, here is the path I recommend if you really want to get good at prompt engineering. Start with Google Prompting Essentials. It's a 1 month beginner program that will give you the right foundation and mindset for talking to AI. If you are short on time, you can do the 1 hour essentials course instead. Then take the prompt engineering specialization. Here you will learn patterns and real work examples so you can actually apply prompts in your job or projects. And if you want to go pro, finish with the Udemy bootcamp. This is where you will build advanced prompts, AI agents, and full workflows. Follow that order, and by the end, you will be able to use AI not just for fun, but to actually save time, work smarter, and maybe even boost your career. I will leave all the links in the description. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.